Hello students, now we are going to start arithmetic progression of Maths 1. Arithmetic progression is called as AP, A for arithmetic and P for progression. The weightage of arithmetic progression is 8 marks. Okay, in this chapter, this is sequence. What is meant by sequence? A set of natural numbers. A set of natural numbers or a set of any numbers, whole numbers, natural numbers, a set of natural numbers which are arranged in definite order, which are arranged in a definite order. So, this is called as sequence. Means a set of any numbers. For example, set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinite. This is the set of natural numbers, and the set of natural numbers arranged in one specific order, one specific rule, that is definite order. So, this is called as sequence. Again, another example is even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to 30. So, these numbers, this is a set and this set is called as sequence. Okay. So, this set arranged in a definite order because here first number is 2, again second number is 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, means difference of these two numbers are 2. Again difference of these two numbers again 2. Again difference of these two numbers is 2, means here difference is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, again 8 plus 2 10. Then we can find another numbers. Okay. So, here 10, again we can find 10 plus 2, here 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 2 16 up to 30. So, this is a sequence because in this set some definite rules are there. So, this is a sequence. Again third example is set of odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So, this is also this is called sequence because in this sequence some definite rules are there. Therefore, this is called a sequence. In this sequence, this 1 is called first term. 1 is called first term, this 3 is called second term, this is third term, fourth term and so on. So, terms are denoted by T and first terms is denoted by T1. Here 1 means number of terms, first term, again second term is denoted by T2, third term is denoted by T3, fourth term is denoted by T4, fifth term is denoted by T5. So, this is the T1, therefore, T1 equal to 1, T2 equal to 3, T3 equal to 5, T4 equal to 7 and so on. So, this is called as terms, number of terms T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and up to Tn. So, this is the last term, this is called nth term, fifth term, fourth term, third term, second term, first term and so on, and this last term is called as nth term. Okay. So, difference of these two terms means T2 minus T1. Difference is denoted by D. This is called as common difference. D equal to common difference, and the difference can be calculated 3 minus 1. Okay. D equal to T2 minus T1. So, here D equal to T2 minus T1. T2 is 3. T2 is 3. So, put T2 equal to 3 and T1 equal to 1. T1 equal to 1 and the difference, common difference in this sequence is D equal to 2. Again, D equal to T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. T3 is 5 and T2 is 3. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Again D equal to, this is the common difference of two consecutive terms. Difference can be calculated Okay, take the common difference between two consecutive terms in T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, T5 minus T4. So this is the consecutive terms. Then D equal to T4 minus T3. What is T4? T4 is 7 minus T3 5. So 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Here in this sequence difference is same. Difference is common difference is 2, again common difference 2, again common difference is 2. If difference is same, okay, then this sequence is called as AP. Difference is same, so this sequence 1 3 5 7 9, this sequence is an AP. AP means arithmetic progression. A for arithmetic, P for progression. Okay, if difference is same, then this sequence is called as AP, arithmetic progression. So here T1 means first term. Again first term is denoted by A. A equal to T1 means T1 means first term, and here T1 first term is also denoted by small a. Here A equal to T1 equal to 1 and D equal to, here A equal to T1 equal to first term and D equal to common difference. Okay, if common difference is same, then this sequence is called as AP. This sequence is an AP. Okay, this question is for 1 marks. Okay. Let's remember, in a sequence, if difference Tn plus 1 minus Tn is constant, then the sequence is called an AP. Second point is, in an AP, the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, or if it is same, and it is denoted by D. Third point is, difference D can be positive, negative or 0. Fourth point is, in an AP, if the first term is A and common difference is D, then the terms in the sequence are A plus D and A plus 2D. T1, T2, T3, T4 up to Tn. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term and so on. This is the nth term, means last term, nth term. Okay, this is the last term. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, dash, dash, dash. This is the sequence, but this is infinite sequence. This is infinite sequence. This question for 1 marks, infinite sequence. Write one example of infinite sequence and finite sequence. Infinite means uncountable and finite sequence means countable sequence. Here first example is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So this is uncountable. Okay, so this is called as infinite sequence. And second one is finite sequence. So here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to 13. Means here last term is 13. This is Tn, nth term, and this is 13. Okay, यहाँ पर sequence खत्म हो गया, end हो गया यहाँ पर. So this is countable. Means 1, 3, 5, 7, all are odd numbers, and last odd number is 13. This is the last number. This is the nth term. This is Tn. So this sequence is called as finite sequence. Means uncountable sequence is called as infinite sequence, and finite sequence is countable sequence is called as finite sequence. Difference of two consecutive terms can be positive, negative और 0. इस दो टर्म का डिफरेंस, एक तो ये पॉजिटिव आ सकता है आंसर, उसके बाद D इक्वल टू नेगेटिव, D कैन बी पॉजिटिव, D कैन बी नेगेटिव एंड D कैन बी 0. ओके, this is called as nth term. Tn equal to nth term, and if difference is same in these two consecutive terms, so this sequence is called as arithmetic progression. This is called as AP, because if difference is same, then the given sequence is AP, otherwise it is not AP. For example, is the given sequence is an AP? This question is for 1 marks. Is the given sequence is an AP? So here first term is T1, means A equal to T1 equal to 5. Then T2 equal to second term, that is 10. T3 equal to 15 and T4 equal to 25. Okay, then common difference. Common difference equal to, common difference can be denoted by D, small d. Okay, common difference is equal to difference between two consecutive terms, means 10 minus 5 means T2 minus T1. D equal to T2 minus T1. T2 equal to 10 and T1 is 5, that is difference is 5. Again D equal to T3 minus T2, that is 15 minus 10, again 5, and D equal to T4 minus T3 equal to here 20. 20 minus 15 equal to 5. Here difference is same, that is 5. So in this situation, if difference is same, then the given sequence is an AP. Here common difference is same. Therefore the given sequence is an AP. If difference is same, the sequence is an AP. If difference is not same, the given sequence is not an AP. Means the sequence, अगर difference same नहीं है, तो ये sequence AP नहीं है. Okay, this question can be asked for 1 marks in MCQ. Practice set 3.1. Question is, which of the following sequence are AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. There are 7 or 8 problems, 7 problems. 7, 8 problems. And in these questions, which of the following sequence are AP? AP है कि नहीं यहाँ पर चेक करना है. AP है कि नहीं चेक करना है means common difference. If difference is same, then the given sequence is an AP. And if difference is not same, then the given sequence is not an AP. So first we have to find common difference between two consecutive terms. Here the given sequence is, the given sequence is 2, 4, 6, 8. Then A equal to T1 equal to 2, T2 equal to 4, T3 equal to 6 and T4 equal to 8. Then find common difference. D equal to T2 minus T1. Here T2 equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Then again D equal to T3 minus T2. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Again D equal to T4 minus T3. Means 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Here common difference is 2, 2, 2. In this sequence, common difference is same. Therefore, the common difference is same. 1 marks question. The common difference is same. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. The given sequence is an AP. In this second problem, 0.3, 0.33, 0.333, fourth number problem. All problems are very easy. Okay. you can solve it, second or third. Then fourth problem, 0.3, 0.33, 0.333. In this sequence, what is the common difference? Then first we have to find common difference. The given sequence is, then A equal to, A means first term and T1 means also first term. A equal to T1 equal to 0.3. Then T2 equal to 0.33 and T3 equal to 0.333. Then find common difference D. Here T2 minus T1. T2 equal to 0.33 minus 0.3. Here D equal to T2 minus T1, 0.33 minus 0.3. Find the common difference. Okay, 0.33 minus 0.3. 0.33 minus 0.3. पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट लेना है, इधर के नंबर इधर लिखो एंड उधर के नंबर एक साइड में उधर से लिखो. ओके, एंड देन माइनस 3 minus 0, 3, 3 minus 3, 0 and 0 minus 0, 0. Here D equal to 0.03. Again D equal to T3 minus T2. T3 is 0.333 and T2 is 0.33. Again 0.333 and 0.33 and write down here 0. 3 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Here 3 minus 3, 0. And 0 minus 0, 0. 0.003. 0.003. Then check the difference. Here T2 minus T1 is 0.03 and T3 minus T2 is 0.003. Both are different. 0.03 and 0.003. So here difference is not same. Okay. So then the given sequence is not an AP. The common difference is not same. Write down here, the common difference is not same. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. Is not an AP. Is not an AP. Here fourth problem. And seventh is, the given sequence is 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 and 3 plus 3 root 2. Find the difference, common difference between two consecutive terms. Then write down here A equal to T1 equal to 3. Then T2 equal to 3 plus root 2. T3 equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. And T4 equal to 3 plus 3 root 2. Then find the difference between two consecutive terms. Okay, therefore D equal to T2 minus T1. This is the problems in SERS. Last year you already studied SERS. Okay, 3 plus root 2. So T2 is 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2 minus T1. T1 is 3. Okay, 3 plus root 2 minus 3. Here 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 3 minus 3, 0. That is cancelled. Here difference is root 2. Again D equal to T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus T2 is 3 plus root 2. So write down in bracket 3 plus root 2 and solve this. T2 minus T1. 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus T2 is 3 plus root 2. So solve this. 3 plus 2 root 2. Minus into 3, minus 3. Minus into plus, minus root 2. Again here 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. Then 2 root 2 minus root 2. Here coefficient of root 2 is 1. And here root 2 same. So 2 minus 1 is 1 root 2. and 1 root 2 can be written as root 2. Here difference is same, therefore the common difference is same. Therefore the given sequence is an AP. Question number 2. Write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. Here first problem is A equal to 10 and D equal to 5, and question is that write an AP. Okay, A equal to 10 and D equal to 5 given. Here A means first term, that is A equal to T1 equal to 10. Then find next term. Okay, means find T2, T3, T4, T5 and so on. Okay, so T2 equal to T1 plus D. नेक्स्ट टर्म फाइंड करना है T2, उसमें डिफरेंस ऐड करना है. नेक्स्ट टर्म फाइंड करने के लिए हर एक प्रीवियस टर्म में डिफरेंस को ऐड करते जाओ, देन वी गेट नेक्स्ट टर्म्स. ओके, सो T2 इक्वल टू T1 प्लस D. Here T1 is 10 and difference is 5. So 10 plus 5 equal to 15. Means first term is 10, second term is 15. Again find T3. So T2 plus D. 15 plus 5 equal to 20. T4 equal to T3 plus D. Means 20 plus 5 equal to 25. Here 10, 15, 20, 25. Then therefore the required AP is first term is 10, means T1, T2, T3 and T4 and so on. So this is our solution. Then second problem is first term is -7 and difference is 1/2, that is given. So to find next term, add difference in previous terms. Previous term में difference को add करते जाओ and find next terms. Okay, then here A equal to T1 equal to -7. Then T2 equal to T1 plus D. T1 plus D. Then here T2. We get T2. Then T1 equal to -7 and D is 1/2. So solve this. -7 to the -14 plus 1 upon 2, here -13/2, that is the T2. Again T3 equal to T2 plus D. T2 is -13/2, then add difference in this T2. So T2 plus D, T2 is -13/2 and difference is 1/2. Here denominator is same, then here write down -13 plus 1 divided by 2, and -13 plus 1 will get -12/2 and -12/2 equal to -1 -6. 2 6 are 12. Then T4 equal to T3 plus D. T3 is -6 plus D, that is 1/2. Okay, -6 into 2 -12 plus 1 divided by 2. Solve this. -11/2. This is the third term. Fourth term. And again fifth term is T4 plus D. 4, 5, 6, 7 कितने भी टर्म निकालो यहाँ पर. 4 तक निकाली तो भी चलेगा, 5 तक निकाली तो भी चलेगा. तो सो T4 इक्वल टू -11/2 प्लस 1/2. -11 plus 1 divided by 2. Here -10/2. And -10/2 is equal to -5. Therefore, the required AP is first term is -7, that is -7. This is the T1. Then T2 is -13/2. T3 is -6 T4 is minus 11 by 2, T5 is minus 5 and so on. This is our required AP. Then question number 3. Question number 3, find the first term and common difference for each of the AP. 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, this is our first problem. And here first term is A equal to 5 and that is difference is T2 minus T1. So 1 minus 5 equal to minus 4. This is the difference. Question number 3, problem number 3. 127, 135, 143, 151 is the sequence. So in this sequence, first term is 127. So here first term A equal to 127, that is T1 equal to 127 and difference is 135 minus 127, that is 8. T3 minus T2, that is 8 and T4 minus T3 equal to 8. So the first term is A 127 and the common difference is 8.